Hello and good morning to all of you, and I welcome you all on my channel. In the previous video, I have explained the lesson across the world, and now in this video, I am going to explain you the objectives of this lesson, which we will achieve after learning the content. Now, let's begin our video. I will first tell you the learning outcomes and objectives one by one, and also along with that, I will tell you the activity which will help you to achieve the objectives easily. Okay, now our first objective is, as shown on the screen, is to know about the games played by girls and boys. For this, a teacher can use a chart of different games or different sports and set an open discussion in the class. In the end, a teacher can conclude that some games are favorite of boys and some are of girls. And there are very few games which both girls and boys like and play together. For example, like cricket, football are boys' favorite games, and kho, kabaddi, badminton are the girls' favorite games. But there are some sports like the swimming, basketball, and kabaddi also, which boys and girls can play together. Now let's come to the next TLO. The next objective or the learning outcome is to know about the gender sensitization and its drawbacks, or to know about the gender equality and how equal opportunity can be provided to both girls and boys. You can show these pictures to the class and then open a discussion in the classroom only and show the situation of their classroom to them and tell them now the situation of gender sensitization is improving day by day, and now both girls and boys are getting equal opportunities in their life at any platform, like in the education, in services, or whatever they want to do in their life. Now there is no disequality or negative thing in the society, but still we have to do a lot of work in this field also. Now let's come to the third objective, and that is to find out the women in our society who break these walls. Yes, you can show the pictures of these women's like Saina Nehwal, and Mary Kom, in Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Lata Mangeshkar, Indra Nooyi, Kalpana Chawla, and the IPS of the first IPS officer. And you can explain and you can tell them that you all should follow these great leaders, great women of our society, and you can also do the same thing in your life, and you can also break the wall very easily so that the coming generation follow you as a icon. And in the fourth objective of this lesson is to develop qualities of a good player or a good team. Means how we can develop or what are the qualities of a good player or a good team. If a player work only 2 to 3 qualities, like one should be cooperative, one should be helpful, one should be motivational to the other, and also follow the unity or cooperativeness in its action, then one can become a very good player. And if a players are good, each and one player is good, then automatically the good team will be come out. And so not only in the sports but in the every part of our life, we all should follow these two qualities, that is cooperative or cooperation and be unite together at any stage of the life, because as this पिक्चर इज शोइंग यू दैट समय आ गया है भेद मिटाने का, समाज में संतुलन लाने का. So with this I am going to close this video and with hope that it will be liked by you and shared by you.